Hello friends, welcome to Api Anvi tutorials. So today in this video we'll learn about Playwright with Python. So this is Playwright is used for automation testing. So we'll learn about Playwright with Python. Okay, so for this we'll use the website called sourcedemo.com. So okay, it will can be used for our practice for automation scripting. Okay, so it is having username, password, and login. Okay, so in this session, we'll see how to find the username, password, and login web elements and use them to log into the page. Okay, so here we'll use the playwright, right? So first we have to import the playwright. Okay, from playwright.sync API import. Okay, sync underscore playwright. Okay, with sync underscore playwright as p. Okay, then we'll open a browser. Okay, browser equal to p.chromium.launch. Okay, so here we'll use the headless equal to false. Okay, so you can ask what is headless. So headless is nothing but we are opening the browser and launching with in background. Okay, headless is false means the browser will open and it is visible in the background. If you keep the headless equal to true, then the browser will be opened but it is not visible. Okay, that is the difference between headless equal true and headless equal to false. Okay, then we'll open a new page. Okay, page equal to browser dot new page. Okay, then page dot go to this website. Okay, so copy and paste that. Right, once we go to the website. Okay, then we want to find the elements. Okay, find the elements of username, password, and login. Okay, for that we are using the CSS method. Okay, CSS method is nothing but it is Cascading Style Sheets is very fast. Okay, finding the web elements using CSS selector is very fast. Okay, so let's to find the web element, then right click the window and go to the inspect. Okay, and here select this icon and click on the username. Okay, so these two lines are for username. Okay, for example, if your ID is available, then our selector will be, for example, ID equal to ID underscore value, then selector will be hash ID underscore value. Okay, so here what is the ID, guys? ID is nothing but user hyphen name. So our selector will be hash user hyphen name. So that is our selector. So when ID is given, then selector will be this one. Okay, so let's find the username selector. Username underscore text box. Okay, equal to page dot wait for selector will use, because sometimes the web page will be loading and it will be taking some time. So we have to use wait for selector and find the element. Okay, so our wait for selector and our selector will be this one, hash ID underscore value. Okay, for username, what is the value here? If you select this one icon and username, here ID value equal to user hyphen name. So we have to attach hash in front. Okay, so it will be inverted commas hash user hyphen name. Okay, guys. So this is our selector for text box. Okay, so you have to type some your username in the text box. Okay, so for that we'll use the type method. Okay, we use the type method and write the username. Here he has given some usernames, right? So we'll use the standard underscore user. Okay, so standard underscore user. Okay, similarly for password text box also we'll find the ID, and using the ID we'll find the element. Okay, so password here. Okay, so password text box equal to what is the for password, uh, click on this icon and go to the password. Same here, ID equal to password. Okay, so similarly we'll use the same here as password using CSS selector. Okay, and password also we'll type here. Okay, password text box dot type. Okay, so what is the password, guys? Here password is nothing but secret underscore sauce. Okay, secret underscore sauce, secret underscore sauce. Okay, this is our password. Okay, then we have to find the login. And one more method I want to tell you, I forgot. So here if you click on this and use the control F and use our selectors. Okay, write our selector here. For example, our selector is hash, okay, user hyphen name, right? So it is showing one of one here. That means only one selector is there, and that is the correct selector we have selected. Okay, so whenever we are using the selectors, you just use the control F and type your selector here so that it should display one of one. Okay, then it will be unique selector and it will be correct. Okay, and here it is highlighted in yellow color. Okay, and similarly as password. Okay, so this is also one of one and this is highlighted with yellow color here. That is nothing but password. Okay, similarly we'll find out for login. Okay, login button. So here I will remove this password here and select the locator for login button. So here login button is here, ID equal to login hyphen button. So let us see here, hash login hyphen button. Okay, so here one of one. Okay, so it is correct selector, unique selector, and it is correct. Okay, so let's go to our code and we'll we find the login button. Okay, login button equal to page dot wait underscore selector, wait for selector. Then what is the selector? Hash for login. What is that, guys? Hash login button, login hyphen button. Okay, login hyphen button. Okay, then we have to click on this button. Okay, login button dot click. Okay, okay, guys. So this will be our automation code for first session. So where we found the user text box and we have entered the standard user and find out the password text box and enter the password secret underscore sauce, and we are clicking on the login button. Okay, and we'll use the timeout here for page to see what is happening. Otherwise it will close immediately, it will close, we can't see what is happening. So page dot wait for timeout, let's say 5000 milliseconds, that means 5 seconds. Okay, guys, so let's run this code and see the output. Okay, So like that, it will enter username, password, and login button. It will be clicked, and it will be login page is open. Okay, guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhi Tutorials for more such automation videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.